great question. What is the other 20% in Long's Pine Oil 80? And the glare on my phone is driving me crazy, but here you go. I spoke directly to Ryan at Long's Products. By the way, Long's is in Louisiana, USA. So I love that it's an American company. I asked him a lot of questions and I asked him, what is the other 20%? And here's your answer. We're thrilled to hear that your video is driving sales. Yay! Because we're supporting a small business in America. And you're helping me out when you buy it with my link. Thank you. I can help you with that. The remaining 20% is a proprietary blend of natural ingredients that complement the pine oil. We're glad you're excited. Tall oil is a fatty acid that blends the oil and fatty acid together. This blend allows the pine to work with water base to emulsify when the water Hitachi. I don't know what Hitachi means. I'm guessing it's a typo. But the point is this, it is 20% natural ingredients, 80% pine oil, which also is a natural ingredient. So it's pretty much 100% natural ingredient. Yay! Now, pine oil 80 is a concentrate, meaning there is no added water to it. As you can see on the ingredients, there's no added water. And a lot of times when you buy cleaning products, the first ingredient is water. And obviously there's nothing wrong with that because you need a carrier type of liquid to push out the cleaning ingredients. If it's a liquid, you need some sort of liquid, and water tends to be the go-to liquid. But there are concentrated cleaners that don't have water in them because it is a concentrated blend of other chemicals in it. And chemical is not a bad word, by the way. People freak out going, oh, I do chemical-free cleaning. There's no such thing as chemical-free if it's a liquid. All liquids are chemicals, okay? All liquids. And a chemical is not a bad thing. Water is a chemical. But in pine oil 80, there is no water. It's a concentrated blend of pine oil and their proprietary blend of natural ingredients. So I absolutely love that. Now, the plus with concentrated cleaners is that it's concentrated. You just need like a cap for like 1.5 gallons of water. You could put it in your mop bucket and then dunk your cloth in there and wring it out and use that to wipe down cabinets and counters, and you could do so much with a concentrated cleaner because it's concentrated. So you just add a little bit to water and you have so much use out of it. You get more bang for your buck that way too. Instead of buying a cleaner that's like $4 for 16 ounce and it's 90% water and then whatever cleaning product, and it's only $4 and then you have to keep rebuying it because it's a tiny little bottle, a concentrated cleaner gives you more bang for the buck. Now, obviously, there are different cleaners for different surfaces. There are different cleaners for different cleaning needs. There's degreasers, there's wood cleaners, there's stainless steel cleaners. There's obviously different cleaners for different purposes. What just happened with my hair right there? Oh, right there. Okay, anyway. But there's different cleaners for different purposes. So some cleaners have water. Some are a concentrated blend with no water. And just like any cleaning product, read the labels. Keep it away from children and pets. You don't want to go licking a bottle of pine oil, just like you wouldn't lick a bottle of Fabuloso, just like you wouldn't lick a bottle of bleach, just like you wouldn't lick a bottle of lavender essential oil. Just because something is natural does not mean you use it all willy-nilly and, put 8 gallons of it on the floor. No, you read the labels, you use it accordingly. If it says that you should use gloves because it may irritate your skin, then use gloves when you pour it. Don't go chugging it. Don't drink it. Don't let your cat or dog walk on the wet floor after you just mopped it. Let it dry. Just use caution. Don't do like these TikTok hacks where people are dumping 8 different chemicals and they're putting their hands in it and they're playing with it like it's Play-Doh. This just, no. Common sense, folks. So even though something is eco-friendly, all natural, you still have to use caution with it. Poison ivy is natural. I'm not rubbing poison ivy on my skin or mopping with it. You know what I mean? So use caution, read labels, don't drink cleaning products, even hydrogen peroxide. I'm not going to be chugging it. Don't. I actually saw somebody years ago on Facebook talk about a cleaner from an MLM product. And she says it's all natural and safe. I can drink it. No, I don't care how all natural and safe it is. You don't drink it. The only thing that's all natural and safe is water, and that's what I'm going to drink. And even with water, you can't chug 15 gallons because then you'll throw off your pH level and can mess up your kidneys. Common sense, folks. Just because it's natural doesn't mean you go all willy-nilly. I love saying willy-nilly. I'm going to say it as much as I can. Anyway, that I hope helps your question. If you have any more, please, please, please drop questions down below. I love learning and educating and sharing. And I always stress this a bazillion times. Read labels. If you're not sure how to use a product, directly ask the company. I message companies all the time. I'm like, what is this? How do I use it? Thank you very much. If they can't give me an answer, or if they don't know what they're talking about, I'm not going to use your product. That's it. I'm not a chemist. I am not going to just invent something out of the sky without knowing what I'm doing. I don't have a lab or designated kitchen for stuff like that. I leave it to the experts and I ask them questions. So please feel free, ask me any type of questions. I do focus more on eco-friendly products. I do have products on my showcase, so you can grab it with the link down below. You may see cleaners on there that you don't see me making videos about, maybe because I don't like to use it, but I have it in case other people want to buy it. So feel free, check out my showcase. When you buy from my link, I'll earn commission. Thank you very much. Thank you. It helps me out. Follow along for more cleaning tips and tricks. And again, do not feel embarrassed or ashamed to ask questions, to research, to learn, to grow, to share, because that's what life is about. It's about asking, learning, sharing, connecting, and be good. Be a good person. Be safe. Peace out. Bye.